Are you guys ready for the unboxing? Let's do this. Don't mind the mess, okay? We don't have time. We have YouTube videos to make. This was my birthday gift from over a month ago, and I didn't open it yet because I was waiting for the perfect time. And the perfect time is now. So let's do this. I'm so excited. Setting my intention because this is going to be the beginning of my content creation journey. Well, I've been creating content, but for YouTube specifically. And I'm not going to be giving you guys these phone videos anymore. We're going to leave that for the old me because the new me is about to be a Osmo Pocket 3 DJI user. Why did I not find the word? Okay. Before I open, I ordered so many accessories to go with it, so I have everything already ready. So we don't just have a pocket, I have the whole package, literally everything. I have like my SD card. I ordered this that goes on the tripod so I can film both vertically on my phone and get pocket footage at the same time. So I can have two types of footage. Phone magnet, so it goes in the back of the pocket. It's metal if you're outside, if you want to record like in your car, on poles, in like areas of your house, on the fridge or whatever. I got ND filters if I want to record outside. I told you guys I have so much stuff. And then screen protection, so it's gonna go on the little screen right here. Go back to unboxing. I wonder if everything's inside already because there's another box. To be honest, I don't think I'm gonna use that little like pouch that comes with it because I have my camera bag right here, my beautiful camera bag, which I'm also gonna unbox with you guys. My birthday gift has literally been sitting here for over a month. I'm like, should I do the unboxing? Should I not? And then I decided, let me do the unboxing because a few years from now, when I'm rich and famous, I'm gonna look back at this video and I'm just gonna find it so cute because this is like the video that's gonna launch my YouTube journey. I'm still setting my intention in my head. Wow, it's so pretty. I'm actually so excited. Like I'm getting a little emotional because it's like, I'm just thinking about the future me who's gonna look back at these videos and just be so proud of myself, where I started and the kind of person that I am. I'm proud of myself today. And I'm proud of you for whatever it is that you're doing. I'm proud of you. Let me pour into your cup for a little bit because this is what this page is all about. It's about giving you, showing you, helping you, pouring into you, connecting with you, and helping you heal. I'm not going to heal you. I'm going to help you heal. I'm going to help you uncover your old wounds, your patterns, change your mindset, change the way that you talk to yourself, the way that you see yourself. This is what it is. So this is what I'm here for, guys. This, I'm assuming, is the battery pack. Yes, and it goes right under. And I think it has, no, it doesn't have legs. Not the actual battery pack, but I think it comes with an extra. No, what's that? I actually don't know what that is. No, these are the legs. Okay, these are the legs. So the legs go under. I don't really know what this is actually, but I know like it is the battery and then the legs go under. But then it's going to be too long, so I'm not really sure. Maybe I should have looked at some videos of other people unboxing before I did my unboxing, but I was so excited and I just wanted to show you guys. So that's what I did. I got the creator pack. I think it comes with everything. Like it comes with the mic, with the extra battery, with the chargers and everything. And it comes with like this little mini magnet thing that gives you like a wider lens. And then the mic that I'm gonna be using like that. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna talk about 5 ways that you can pour into your cup as a busy woman and mama. Natural. I'm so ready for this. I'm so ready for this. Okay, so that's pretty much it. It's on. It's true, I do have to download the app like that. I could see myself if I'm filming and it's far away, and then to be able to manually control the pocket, so control the settings. Definitely watch some videos after this because I need to figure out what all these things are. Like I said, I should have done it before, but I was just too excited. And I'm gonna set it up and then I'm gonna see you guys on my next video where I'm gonna be using my pocket to film my first YouTube video. But before I end this video quick, let's unbox my camera bag. Okay, let's put it right here. Oh my god, I love the color. But honestly, it's bigger than I thought. Much bigger than I thought. Way bigger than I thought. It could be good because sometimes I use my Sony a7 III to take pictures, and it could fit here with all my Pocket stuff. And like if I'm filming outside or if I need to go somewhere, I could also put an extra change of clothes. If I want to make like multiple videos, look at me like thinking in the future, trying to see what else I could put in this bag just so I can keep it. But this bag is easier to grab and go because it's more compact. So now I'm thinking like, do I really want to keep this big one? Are you the type of person that when you get a gift, you just rip it open, or do you like meticulously open it up? Because there's two kinds of people in the world. Wow, you could see like it's just so soft. And it has so many pockets, but it is a little big. Let's say here, change of clothes, pocket, the mic, my tripod stuff. See here, you put the tripod. I could put a water. I was gonna say water bottle, but I think I would be playing with fire, putting water in my bag with all my stuff. Try to test it out, go out to places with it, film, you know, take my Pocket outside, and then I'll decide if I want to keep it or not. Ready, guys, I'm ready. See ya. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video.